Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change the currency on Momondo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Momondo account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account in Momondo? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, go ahead and type momondo.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Momondo. In the official website, check the top right corner of the screen, you're going to find the Getting button. Click on Sign In button, click on that and follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Momondo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to change the currency on Momondo. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have a couple tabs, which include flights, stays, car rental, packages, explore, trips. You have English, you have United States dollar, and of course you have feedback. Now I'd like you to click on this tab that has United States dollar. Now here you can search for the new currency that you want to switch this to. You can switch it to euros, that's GBP, euro, Canadian dollar, the British pound, that's GBP, and Australian dollar. You can even go all the way down. You have this wide array of currencies. I cannot even pronounce their names correctly, but you have a wide array of options. If you scroll down to the page, even to Zambian kwacha. All right, so that's it. So go ahead and select, let's say I want to use GBP. That's the Great Britain pound. They save currency for the future. If you want to, can click on this save for future, or if it's just one time only, click on one time only, and you'll see that the page is going to be refreshed and set to GBP. So it has been set to British pound, and if you're actually making the booking or placing the booking, you're going to see that the currency is going to be changed from USD to GBP. So this is pretty much how you can change the currency in Momondo. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.